Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So this is the LookFantastic Valentine's Feb box. So I'll be going through this for you and going through the products one by one to see what we have in this month's box. So this here is a little magazine you get in each box of the monthly box subscription, and it just shows you what's inside or what could be inside and a little sneak peek of what's coming up maybe next month, and obviously some other information as well and some about ingredients and stuff like that as well. So I think that's really helpful. So here I am, I'm going to open the box now. So first up is the Glove Heart Makeup Remover Pad. Obviously it's soft with microfiber, it's reusable. Obviously you wash it after you've done using it and you apply water or a cleanser to a pad and gently glide across your skin until clean. So this is really good. You get two of them as well, which I was very impressed, and it's very good quality. So this here is a Repair Game Changer hair mask. And with this mask, you can leave it on overnight, or you can just pull it on dry hair, wet hair, and wash it off, which is really good. And it's 75 mils, so you do get a decent amount as well. So this product here is a daily gel cleanser. It's got salicylic acid, and obviously you just apply a pea-sized amount to damp skin and massage into the face and neck. And then once it lathers, you rinse it off with water. So this is Pixie Glow Tonic. It is 15 ml this one, so I think it is like a little sample travel size, and it's with witch hazel. And this one here is a Balance Me Brightening Vitamin C Eye Serum. So this one here is a lemon superfood all-in-one, and it is good for lips, elbows and heels, like really dry areas as well. And it's 50 ml. So I think this was like a little extra in the box. It is by Lottie London and it is a blusher. The name of it is Haze. So that is all for this month, guys. I hope you like this Valentine's LookFantastic box, and I will see you on my next one. See ya!